This is the science experiment we're doing today. Lemon. The power of a lemon. And we're gonna cut a lemon a little later.
Oh, Dr. Science, we meet again. Did you say lemon experiment?
Yeah.
What do we do with this?
I'm gonna get my goggles. Bye.
All right.
Bye.
I'll see you soon. We're ready to experiment.
Yep.
Oh, what lovely safety goggles you have there, Dr. Science. Now, tell me about this experiment we have today. Kids Labs, lemon...
Clock.
Clock! Wow, what can you do with a clock?
You can check what time it is.
I need to check what time it is, so let's get started. Alright, so Dr. Science, today we're going to make a lemon clock. You are going to connect some wires up to that lemon and we're going to make a clock because the electricity from the lemon is going to power it. What do you think about that?
Good.
Alright, you ready to chop? Good job, Dr. Science. Good work, Dr. Science. And one more to hook up.
Yeah.
That's it. All the way in. Alright. Let's get those wires connected. Alright, Dr. Science, can you do the black wire to the copper? Get it through that hole, bud. Good job. Is it in? Awesome. And the red wire to the other copper. Alright, let's see if the timer's on.
Let's see.
Womp womp.
It wasn't easy peasy lemon squeezy after all.